Today we will continue reading Oceans by Seymour Simon. Today and tomorrow we will be reading about waves and we will learn about three important terms: crest, trough, and fetch. As we read, let's focus on finding out how waves work. As I read, follow my cursor. When the wind blows across the surface of ocean waters, little ripples form. As the wind continues to blow, the ripples grow into waves. The size of a wave depends upon the speed of the wind, how long it blows, and the fetch. The fetch is the distance over which the wave travels. The faster the wind, the longer it blows, and the greater the fetch, the bigger the waves. In the open ocean where the wind is blowing and making waves, the waves are all different sizes and shapes and go in different directions. As the waves move away from where they began, some travel faster than others and they form groups of about the same wavelength. The waves are now long and smooth and are called a swell. Waves moving across the ocean carry the energy of the wind, but the ocean water does not move along with the wave. As the wave passes, the particles of water move up and down and around in a little circle. If you watch a stick floating on water as waves pass by, you'll see that it bops up and down, but stays in just about the same place. Only the energy of the waves moves forward. The high spot of a wave is called a crest, and the low spot is called a trough. The distance between two crests or two troughs is called the wave length. The height of a wave is the distance from crest to trough. Storm-driven waves in the ocean can build up to great heights. One of the largest waves ever was 112 feet high, the height of a 10-story building. Ocean-going ships can ride over most waves. Small ships can ride up one side of a wave and down the other. Large ships can usually ride through waves without too much difficulty. During a hurricane or severe storm, however, a huge wave can dump hundreds of tons of water onto a ship in a few seconds, smashing it apart and sending it to the bottom. When an ocean wave reaches the shallow water of shore, it begins to travel more slowly and its shape begins to change. Some people say that the wave begins to feel the bottom. Waves begin to pile up and grow higher as those in the back come in faster than those in the front are moving. As the waves slow down, the crest of the wave tries to continue at the same speed until finally it topples over into the trough of the wave in front and becomes a breaker. When waves break on the shore, the surf begins. Sometimes surf can break just a few yards from the shore. However, if the shore is shallow, surf can form hundreds of yards out to sea. The waves on shallow beaches, such as this one in Hawaii, spill over slowly as they roll up the shore.